We built this building brick by brick. That is the story that we'll be airing in just exactly a few months. I am currently in Juja Crescent Tower, our apartment located right in Juja Estate, Eastleigh, and these apartments comes with the 2, 3 and 4 bedroom apartment units. And currently we have some good news for you. Our showroom is almost ready, and while that is almost ready, you can book your visit through the numbers +254 722 699 699. And remember, currently we are doing the formwork for the slab going to the 18th floor. That means we have been able to do from the basement up to the 17th floor. The only thing that is remaining is you to book your unit by visiting our offices and also giving us a call, and let us make you a proud homeowner.